Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. Today I am going to try to make a vegan apple pecan bread pudding. I'm inspired to do this because I had a Memorial Day barbecue and I am left with a fuck ton of buns. So I have, in this cup, I have crumbled up, good 5 cups of packed, crumbled up hamburger buns, vegan hamburger buns. I'm going to try to do this without any egg replacement. I don't know how it's going to work. We'll find out together. To that, for 5 cups, I'm going to add, this is about a cup of chopped up pecans. You could use another nut if you care to. This is about an apple and a half, diced. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cinnamon. There's a heaping teaspoon of cinnamon. 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of vanilla. I like a lot of vanilla. And finally 2 cups of unsweetened, unflavored almond milk. I guess in a dessert you could use a sweetened one though. It wouldn't matter. I'm going to mix that up, see if that works. You could add, you don't have to use the apples, don't have to use the nuts, you could use a different fruit, you could use chocolate chips if you had some. Bread pudding's a pretty forgiving thing. I'm just going to mash this all up so the bread gets all wet. Alright, once this is combined, I'm going to bake it at 350 for about half an hour. Alright, it's all mushy and packed together. Alright, I don't know what it will be like without an egg replacer. We shall see. Alright, now I'm going to grease with some coconut oil spray. I'm going to grease that pan, and I'm going to put this stuff in there. All right. Pack it down. Maybe when it's done I might put a sprinkle of powdered sugar on it. Don't know what's beeping. Alright, I'm going to stick that in the oven for half an hour and I'll be back. Okay, it was in the oven for closer to an hour. I tested it with a straw. It's not totally dry in there like a cake would be, but bread pudding is a wetter dessert, so I'm just going to let it chill, and then I'm going to slice it up and put either some, maybe some powdered sugar or cocoa powder, or maybe even a salted caramel sauce on top. I haven't decided, but that's it. So I would cook it, like I said, for an hour at 350, and I think it's going to be great. Because I like to serve bread pudding, when I used to have it back in the day, they would put it in a bowl and pour milk or heavy cream on it. So it's a wet dessert anyway. So I think it worked. And I think it's going to be great. So that is my vegan apple pecan bread pudding made from leftover hamburger buns. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time, thanks. Bye.